This is from the company Bruno Marc, and I have had pairs of shoes from these guys before. Highly recommend their brand. So the style of these is called the Philly 3, and the color I have is in black, and I got US size 8.5, but I go between 8.5 and 9 depending on the shoe. And the thing that I got these for the most was basically for e-bike riding. I wanted something a little more durable than like a pair of tennis shoes as far as riding. But look how premium these things look. And let's just kind of like go over them here. They have a nice zipper right here along the side, so you tie them up once and then you can use the zipper to get them on and off. They have a tab, and you know what, the tab has a little cover on it. They have this tab that I don't think is really adjustable, but it does look pretty cool. Thickness of this is a 1/2 inch of lift on the bottom, and it's a tough outer sole on it all the way around. This is like a poly elastomer. You can tell how strong this is. These do not feel like cheap at all. They look really good. And looking what else we have in the back package here. You know what, you get them both here. Let me go ahead and lace these up and put them on and show you guys what these look like while I'm walking around. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just put them on. You can see what they look like. They look really good with a pair of jeans here and just kind of like walking around in them. I like the way these things feel. They look way more premium than the actual price. See how they look? They have a nice feel to them, and I think this area right here will be good for shifting on a motorcycle. These look like motorcycle boots for me, and you know, they got a nice heel on them for stomping things. You can see right here, you can unzip them and get them off a lot quicker when you just unzip right there. They have more of like a plaid lining on the inside there. And this toe has an extra layer up here for running a shifter. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the Bruno Marc motorcycle combat boots. See y'all in the next video.